guys, welcome to another episode of Trek Explore. This is just an outing for me as a learning curve, working with the drone, working on the active Trek thing. I've had the drone for quite a while now and never really got to learn how to use that. So I'm on the beach now, being a beautiful day, but might as well learn how to use that part of the drone. So I got the drone up in front of me now, so at the moment it's doing its thing. Hopefully it'll keep doing its thing. This is the bonus of
tracking subject lost.
That's the bonus of being a shift worker. You do get times off during the day, during the week, and if it's nice weather, might as well head out and enjoy the day. Ever been to this beach a long time? I think last time we were here was last summer, probably at the start of the year. Thought I'd check it out. It doesn't look too bad, quite nice. Yeah. See what the day brings. Beautiful day to be on the beach. Might have a bit of a stop here and have a look. Here we go. DJ's still got mud on it from the last trip. Ah, yeah, but how good does this look, eh? A local beach. One vehicle coming over there. Well, it's a beautiful day to be out and about, especially with such nice weather. It's good to get out. Well, I'm gonna continue on, see what else the beach brings. At least I know there's at least one vehicle out in front of me. Oh, looks like they're parked up. Yep, stunning day to be out. Just what the doctor ordered. Looks like they're going back. Give them the space on the main track. Yeah, fair bit of seaweed, especially lots of seaweed in the water by the look of it. It's all dark, a couple of clear patches where you can see the sand under the water. Heap of birds are sitting there. Yep. I'm not an ornithologist or whatever you call it. Don't know too much about birds. I know they fly. I know there's different species, but yeah, not sure which ones they are. They're all having a good time. Let's continue on. Stretch I'm planning on doing along the beach is about a bit over 8 kilometers long. Can't go further if the river is going to be open at Baby Beach. If not, I'll have to travel all this distance back. Which is not that bad. Almost at the river mouth. Interesting to see what it's going to look like. Sure looks like you can drive across it. Last time I was there, couldn't cross the river. She was well and truly flowing into the ocean. But yeah, now you can drive across. It's not getting to the ocean. So officially this is the first time I've been on this side of the river. I haven't explored that part of the beach. Not sure how far you can drive on it. Yeah, I'll find out soon enough. Let's spin this camera around. There's the river. Definitely got a nice view from the back of those houses. Water feels nice. Bit chilly. Ocean is not too bad. No, if Danny was here, he'd be in it straight away. He doesn't feel the cold. Yeah, now that summer is on its way in, the weather is warming up. It's going to be 33 today, only 24 tomorrow. But yeah, it's going to get warmer. Days are going to get hot. Going out bush, four-wheel driving, that's probably going to be very limited, if not stop altogether in the next month or so. The bush is already drying out, dams are low, so yeah, I think it's gonna be more pleasant to look up rivers and beaches, spend some time on that. Oh, here's a bottle of water, an empty bottle. Just someone chucked this bottle out on the beach. I'll just chuck it in the car and put it in the bin when I get home. Yeah, anyway, so I think in the next few weeks, and especially during the summer, there'll be a lot more water related videos coming out, probably mainly beaches. As yeah, in the summer in the bush, stinking hot, March flies, normal flies, hot and dusty, not very pleasant. And as I mentioned before, yeah, risk of bushfires. Don't want to get stuck in one of them. Yep, just gonna chillax a bit here and then make a plan up. It's a awesome time to myself. Now I'm gonna explore further south, how far we can get. Now there's a car park a bit further up. I might shoot onto that, we'll see. Even though I got the whole day off and it's nice to relax, still not got to do a few bits and pieces around the house that need to be done. It's all good and well coming out, enjoying making videos, and yeah, other stuff needs to be done too. Looks like there's a sign there, no vehicles beyond that point, I'd say. That red sign there. So I'll be turning off here. Air up them tyres. much over there that way. Only between here and Stratton. So, airing up now. It's been good. Just gonna get out of the house a little bit. That's a quiet time, relaxing. Yeah, once I get the tires aired up, just going on home and relax a bit further. It's been, yeah, it's just gonna be a short little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Doesn't have to be always full on 4-wheel driving and beating the bush. Stuff like that. Yeah, stuff like this gotta be done too. Checking the pressure up. Ready and on. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please push that like button, and I appreciate it if you can subscribe as well, and we'll see you on the next one. Catch ya.